give me a fish pedicure. Yeah, I need to try something new. So would you do a fish pedicure? Is that on your bucket list? Because while in Mexico, I definitely had to try it. So first of all, when you get to the salon, you have to get your feet cleansed. So we did a massage before, but then we had our feet cleansed, washed, soap up and everything, and our feet were cleansed, and it was time to get in. Now, when we got in, because I did a pedicure before I went to Mexico, I don't know, but the fishies were not feeding on me. They were not feasting on me. And yeah, but then they finally started to do that, and I was like, yay! That was pretty exciting. Now, I did a fish pedicure while I was in Japan, and it was quite interesting. It was very weird because that was my first time. I also did one in Thailand, I believe, and now I'm doing one in Mexico. Listen, they were feeding on his feet, but my feet were like, you don't got enough gumption.